So we're back in Union, Missouri this morning. This could possibly be our last plant of the year. So we might be heading home for some rest time. Guys, get ready, baby. Hopefully that won't be too heavy. We got the guys getting ready. Get the hammers ready, man. Hammer time. Yeah, you know, you keep up your hammer, that makes Swiss cheese of that cement. Well, you got a good hammer, you don't have to do much but guide that, baby. Actually, you have to be careful. That hole might be too strong and just run through that hole or go right through that drum. So you have to be very, very careful, actually. You can use just the actual weight of the hammer. You don't even really have to use no muscle. You know what you're doing. The actual weight of the hammer is more than enough push to break that cement. But yeah. So we're over here about a week before Christmas. Show you our setup, man. We're right here on the side of the mountain, man. I love it over here. When we chip over here, ooh, look at down there. Gotta be careful, man, when you're walking. Well, if you tumble down there, it's gonna hurt. There's nothing but cement and iron on the way down, so yeah, you have to be real careful. I'm over here filming. I was walking to the back of the edge of this. I was like, ooh, I need to watch where I'm going. If I fall over, I'll be the one falling off here. So yeah. End of the year. This our last week. So let's get it done, guys. So we can go home to our families for some rest time. Kick off 2025. 2025 gonna be a good year. We're gonna expand, baby. It's time to expand. I love this view. A beautiful view of the horizon. That's all that is. Over here in Union, Missouri, man. Yes, sir. Let's get it done. Now, we chipped these trucks not too long ago, so I don't think they'll be too heavy. But yeah.